Today, December the 24th, is National Egg Nog Day. Hi, I'm Annette and welcome to Kitchen Garden Farmhouse. Eggnog is also known as egg milk punch. Eggnog is a very popular drink throughout the U.S. during the holidays. Now, I do not make eggnog with raw eggs. I cook my eggs, and so therefore that's how I will be doing it in this recipe. Here's a picture of my eggnog that I made today, December the 24th. Now this one here is dairy free. However, you can put milk in it, but I put almond milk and coconut milk in mine today. Six eggs. We're going to separate the yolks from the whites. Half a cup of sugar. 3 cups of milk. A half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a pinch of salt, some vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon, some cinnamon sticks for garnish, and some cinnamon on top. To start with, I'm separating the yolks from the whites. Now I'm adding my half a cup of sugar. I have several different types of whisk. I'm not sure which one I want to use, so I'm going to try them both. Both of the whisks worked well. However, I need to have this more creamy, and so I'm going to pull out the hand mixer and use this, and it will beat it up faster. After beating the eggs and the sugar for a couple minutes, now you can see it has taken on a different color and a different texture. It almost looks like a cake batter. So now I've got a saucepan. I turn the heat on about medium heat, and I'm pouring in my 3 cups of milk. I am using non-dairy today, a blend of coconut and almond, but you can use cow's milk if you prefer. Now I'm adding a half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg and a pinch of salt. Now I'm going to stir this mixture on a regular basis, and I want to heat it up to a bare simmer. Now it's time to temper the eggs. We're going to be pouring milk in a little bit at a time because it is hot and we don't want our eggs to curdle. So we'll pour a little bit and we'll be beating it at the same time, and we'll do this for a while until we have it almost all done, and then we'll just go ahead and pour the rest of the hot milk mixture into the eggs. At this point, you can see how creamy and delicious this eggnog is coming together. Now the mixture is going to be put back into the saucepan on the stove top, and we're going to heat this up to about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Here is my thermometer, and I'm going to let it come up to almost 160 degrees Fahrenheit. We're almost there. So now it's time to pour into the strainer to make sure everything is smooth and there's no clumps of anything in our eggnog mixture. It's now time to add about a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm going to mix this in very well with the electric mixer. I am now sprinkling some cinnamon on top of the eggnog. This step here is completely optional. I'm going to give it a little bit of non-dairy ready whipped topping. I'm going to add a little bit more cinnamon on top of this. Please take a moment to subscribe if you have not done so already, and leaving a like and a comment helps the channel to grow. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.